What's up, guys? 6 and 8, probably back again for another video. Today we're gonna do something a little bit different. I've done a review on this before. I don't know if y'all saw what that was, but I've done a review on it before. But they're in new cans now, so I'm gonna see if it tastes any different. And that is Kayak. It's got a new can look, and it's not cracked. The bottom looks different. But yeah, it's actually a metal can instead of plastic. So, or the lid's fucking metal. The bottom's not. But yep. So let's just crack this some bitch and see if she tastes any different, man. Oh gosh. I swear I hate fucking the barcodes on the damn cans. Okay, there we go. Okay, nothing to work. Yep. Looks like Kayak. Oh, smells like Kayak. Oh my god, I hate the smell of Kayak. It's just so fucking nasty. Anyways, boys, to all who partake in smokeless tobacco, if you would, oh, it's falling apart. Pack one with me if you don't. It's whatever. Cheers, boys. But yeah, so let's go over, of course, the texture of it. Texture, it's just like any other fucking. It's just like regular Kayak. It it just like falls apart or whatever. Yeah, it falls apart and it's kind of long cut, but it ain't the longest cut. But yeah, and the texture in the lip, Kayak. But if y'all, for my new guys, if y'all never saw the reviews I did on Kayak way back in the day, because I did a few, but I saw this at my fucking local store, and I was like, I'll give it a try because my other store, which I get them Zen pouches from that I've been doing reviews over, I gotta get my ID changed because apparently there's some fucking new god awful rule now where because I'm 22 I have to get my ID changed, which I went in there so many damn times and they sold it to me, but this time they fucking didn't. So it is what it is, I guess. Yeah, besides the point. So that's why I got this. I was like, oh, why not? That, and they also raised the prices. They raised the damn prices on Kayak down here. It was $1.49, but now it's damn $2. Sorry. But yeah. So yeah, there's not really much I can really say about it. Pretty much, it's Kayak, but in a different can. Nothing else changed. I thought they would change it up, like the flavor and whatnot, or at least something. But no, it's the same old Kayak. Uh, but yeah, that's the end of my little. That's the end of this review on this crap. Short and sweet and to the point. Tastes like ass Kayak. But yeah, of course, about to give this rating because it's Kayak. The flavor, I'd give it a rating of a legit 1.5. It's wintergreen, but it's like a really shitty artificial wintergreen. If y'all ever had grizzly wintergreen, it's like that, but 10 times worse. If that says anything. But yeah, and packability. Everybody knows the fucking packability damn kayak, you know. Packability is okay, I guess. It's not the best, but hell. See, with kayak, oh, with these, it's got to be not as full. But with kayak, you pack it, and you can actually see the fucking whole. I guess I'll show you to say it. You can see the big chunk of tobacco, and you can like see the walls of the can. Yeah. So that's my review of this shit. If I had to give an overall rating, I could bump it up to 2.5. Why not? But yeah, so that's into this review. And yeah, if you liked this video, you know, hit the like button. If you didn't, well, hope you enjoy my content. Yeah, remember, like I always, leave comments in the comment section. I'll get to them as soon as I can. Remember, take it easy, Jesus, take it twice. Keep it American, keep it Southern, boys, and I'll catch you on the next video. I'm out.